After linking, we can now place content inside each subpage. For the learning guide, you can simply copy and paste the sample content you prepared. You can add images and other design elements.
Some subpages will have long content. Duplicate the page as needed and remove unnecessary elements. Then paste your actual module content. You can add pictures, icons, and illustrations to make the page more engaging and easier to understand.
For the media resources page, add different types of media. This can be YouTube videos, infographics, or audio. The goal is to support different learning styles.
To embed YouTube videos without downloading them, go to Apps, search for YouTube Embed, and paste the link. The video will automatically appear on your page.
For the activity section, we will integrate a whiteboard, one of the features of Canva. This is great for group work and collaboration.
Insert your activity instructions. For the collaborative whiteboard activity, go to the Canva homepage and choose Whiteboard. Set your activity there. To give access to students, turn on anyone with the link can edit. Copy the link and connect it to your LMS through a link element.
For assessment, you can use Google Forms or any platform you prefer. But for this training, I want to show you how Canva AI can create an interactive and student-friendly quiz. Go to Canva AI and type a prompt like create an interactive quiz for grade 8 students about typhoons. If you already have questions, paste them and Canva will automatically convert them into an interactive quiz. If you do not have questions, Canva AI can generate them. Just provide enough context so the questions become appropriate for your students. After generating the quiz, you now have an interactive activity that students can retake until they master the lesson.
To insert your quiz, simply copy the quiz design and paste it into your page. Canva also offers ready-made feedback forms. Go to Elements, choose Forms, and select Feedback. Customize the questions as needed, and you already have a functional feedback form.
At this point, our website is almost complete. Before publishing, make sure everything works well by using the preview option. You can see how your website looks on a laptop or desktop. Canva also allows you to preview the mobile version. Just click the mobile icon. This is important because many students access learning management system platforms using their phones. Once everything looks good, go ahead and publish your website. And in case you are wondering, yes, you can still edit your website even after publishing. Just remember to republish it after making any changes so the updates reflect on the student side. you.